Hey guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. We are here in my test kitchen, and do I have a treat for you? I have my good friend Katie Byrne here, and she is going to share some amazing things with you. So, without further ado, let's welcome her to show you something awesome.
Hey guys, Katie from Beltway Balloons here. I'm going to teach you today how to build my super fast Ninja Turtle sword. A lot of times kids ask for Ninja Turtles and I've got a line of 25 kids and no time to make a full Ninja Turtle, so I offer them the Ninja Turtle sword. We're going to use a lime green 350, a red 260, and then just a scrap of a red. So I like to take the art of the top, tie it off, and cut that off. We're gonna make Raphael because everybody loves Raphael. So we are going to start with just a 4-inch bubble followed by a pinch twist of about 1 inch. And we're just gonna wrap that around the 350. Wrap it into the pinch twist so that the rest of your balloon is coming out the bottom. Then go down about that far. Make another pinch twist, and then we're going to wrap the remainder of the balloon around back into the pinch twist. We're going to cut off the excess, tie it off, then we're going to take our scrap and we're going to tie that into the pinch twist. These do not have to be even. This is just a little tie on his little mask. I'm gonna cut that off, tie it off. And now we're gonna do the artwork. I always make Raphael with angry eyes because he's always in a bad mood, so we're gonna do 2 little dots. And give him angry eyebrows. And then for his mouth, you can either draw it here or you can draw it here. It's up to you. And you're gonna draw a C for Katie. And then a less than sign. And then just some teeth. And it makes him really angry. You can hang on to the sword like this, and you've got yourself a Raphael Ninja Turtle sword. I'm Katie with Beltway Balloons. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe to Sandy's channel. She makes videos every week, so let her know what you'd like to see. Until then, go forth and balloonify.